I was working with a girl who had been attacked, and she walked into the bus. It was late at night, like 12 o'clock. She had finished her shift. She walks into the bus and she sees a guy in the corner in the bus. She goes, right away, I felt like, he made me feel uncomfortable. So I get to my bus stop, I get out, I see him get up. As I see him get up, I got nervous and I sat back down. So he went out, so I was like, oh, I was being paranoid. She gets out of the bus, she goes, as I start walking, I see him walking faster and faster towards me. The next thing you know, he grabbed me from behind, so she goes, all I wanted was, ah! And started screaming and hacking, just went crazy to the point that the guy just got nervous and he ran. Which told me, Nick, how did he get, I didn't hear him run, how did he get there? Because the most important thing is your mind. Your mind will determine whether you survive or whether you're going to get attacked or killed. She goes, as soon as I started getting my mind, I started saying to myself, oh shit, what happens if I get raped? What if I get beaten? And she was in her head, and before anything happened, she already lost. She already beat herself down. So she lost the complete present moment to turn around, face him. She got in her head, and before she knew, he was there. Thank God, she's like, did I do it right, Nick? I just did this. Did you do it? Are you here? Yeah, so you did fucking fine. At the end, it doesn't matter. You know, if you gotta grab an improvised weapon and stab him with a pen, pick up a chair, hit him with anything you find, do it. I'm talking a lot about this because I need you girls to completely understand it. So when you walk out of here, you start developing your awareness. For me, it's natural. When I walk into a restaurant, anywhere I walk, I scan everywhere. Where's my exit? Where's everybody sitting? Is anything odd? And I do it naturally. When I walk down the street, outside I'm in code yellow. What does that mean? If I hear anything, I'll look around. When I'm in code red, when I was finishing the clubs, and I've been trained for 15 years, code red meaning anything I hear, anything I see, I locate it, where's it coming from, what is it, and I'm always ready. It's so important.